This labor saver, Victor, we're going to talk about all the extra stuff that Mevotech likes to put in the box.
Exactly, Scott. Whether you're getting a control arm, a ball joint, or a tie rod in, we like to jam pack it with as much hardware as possible to make the technician's life easy.
Exactly, and what we're trying to avoid, Victor, is using the older parts, reusing stuff off the vehicle. So let's talk about this tie rod end where we like to put in the jam nut, again, making the technician's life a little bit easier. An easy snap cotter pin, that also, again, a lot less stress with those. But one of my favorite things, Victor, is the grease fittings. So we have a straight or we have an angled. So we'll let the technician decide how they want to move forward when they're servicing it down the road, which angle makes the most sense for them.
And those little dust caps we use in the TTX line go a long way as well. Also, when you're getting, like, for example, a control arm with a pinch bolt style ball joint, we give you a new pinch bolt and nut. And often enough, you'll even maybe find hardware for stuff like the bushings.
Exactly. It's all about saving time and saving money and making the technician's life a lot easier.